Microsoft has announced that it's building a platform for AI agents, and it's called Project Solara. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. At Build 2026, Microsoft showed Solara powering two different reference devices, a smart display and a smart key badge. Like many other companies, Microsoft believes the next platform shift is from apps to AI agents, and it wants Solara to be a big part of it. The smart display will show information stored in Microsoft 365, like upcoming events from Outlook or data from Excel. It also accepts voice input and is theoretically capable of carrying out tasks on your behalf, whereas Smart Key Badge has similar functionality but is fully mobile, supports 5G, and has a touchscreen and camera that lets you input new information. Microsoft said multiple times during its presentation that these are reference designs and not the products it's planning to build. This device will be explicitly designed to run AI agents rather than apps. Qualcomm and MediaTek partnered with Microsoft for its reference designs, but the platform will work on a variety of form factors, using a variety of different components. Microsoft says it requires some hardware and software that'll meet needs for manageability, security, and privacy. Plus, Project Solara is designed without a single dominant agent, so users can decide which agent they want to use manually. The actual interfaces of Project Solara devices are moldable, as it uses just-in-time UI to reflow interfaces around different device sizes, and in some cases, it can even generate new UI on the go. But while plenty of Solara is custom to Microsoft, the platform's built on Android. Plus, the mobile operating system makes it possible for Solara to run on multiple different types of devices with ease. But that'll be tested before it gets released. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.